Let me explain to you about this very powerful feature here. If you can see on my screen here, you see this little sign here, how this one can make your sales crazy and profitable. This is my actual listing, and I will gonna bring you inside in the listing and explain how to set it up, this, what it is, and what's the benefits for this. This is it will multiply your sales literally in a days. So let me go inside my listing on eBay. So now we are inside my eBay, and here is the thing here. Don't worry about that. I'm opening this for you because you are not gonna find this on Amazon, this combination, because this is special way how to sell it. You can find those things separately, but you will not gonna find this picture. This is just a part of the 799 training. But just I want to explain about this feature here, which is below there. You can see this one. Donate percentage. This is the charity option here. You see this one here. And let me pull up the letter I received from. Um, Here is the letter I received from PayPal by using that option there that I got $420 donated to the Pets and for Patriots. And this is really important and very, very powerful for your sales, to boost your sales. This will, let me just mention some of the benefits. This will gonna boost your sales. This will gonna make your exposure on eBay much wider. eBay will gonna like you much more because you are using this charity, and eBay is, that's why they are giving that sign here. You see this little logo here they are putting on your beside your title, and people like to buy more from sellers who use the charity here. So you will gonna you can sell more items, more profitable. You can sell more often them, and the main thing here is that your exposure will be much bigger than normally without this. And that's not all. You can see, if you can see here is you see your tax deductible. This is going to your tax deductible. So basically it is only benefits. Okay, so of course you can use another I selected Pets for Patriots. It's not on a list here. Let me just go and how can I delete this for a moment? Okay, let's say I click this off. Yeah, okay. So if you choose, you just find this option here, okay, and then you just simply click here. If you don't, oh, it shows there. Okay, how can I undone this? Anyway, I, I don't know how to undone this, but there is only those options. There is no Pets for Patriots. Why I'm choosing Pets for Patriots is I explained already in the course, in my 799 course, but if you are not in there, very shortly I will gonna explain. American people, they really like the combination here. All of this, okay? Pets, most people like pets, and Pets for Patriots, it's the best combination what I have found. I have been using and trying different of them. They never converted so good sales as this one. So I just made conclusion that this is the one of the best. Of course, you can do your own choice, but if you would like to go for this one, it's only you have to. I don't have any affiliation, guys, for this. I'm not affiliating anything. You just go here and then you type in here. Let's say pets. What is that? For Pets for Patriots. Okay. So and here you got this one, and then you click select, and it will gonna appear here, and the logo will appear on the side of your title. So I found this is drastically make drastic different sales. Of course, you can use different percentage if you want. I do not suggest to go less than 5, and well, it's up to you. What do you want to use? And normally I use 10%, and this this was I think for July. Yeah, this was from July. Now is on this time when I'm recording this video is October, so I guess I will get a little bit maybe triple like that. But anyway, guys, this is all beneficial, and trust me, you just try it, and you are gonna see how it will grow your sales and all the benefits, and more than that, probably you are gonna save some life as well. So if you like that, just put some comments. If you maybe you using already, just let me know if you use any charity programs here, and put in the comments the name. Maybe something you found something more powerful. All right, thanks for watching, and take care. All right, bye bye.